How to activate your Comerica Bank debit card. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll tell you a step-by-step guide on how you can activate your debit card so that you can use it right away on your Comerica Bank online. To activate your Comerica debit card, you can call the dedicated activation number given right here. So when you get the card in the mail, you'll get a sticker attached to it which will have a phone number. You can just call that number and follow the automated prompts to activate your debit card. You can also activate it through Comerica mobile app or online banking. And if you're traveling internationally, you can call this number given right here. That's outside US. So you can just call this number right here. Now, the first thing you can do is just go ahead and give it a call on the number with the sticker that's attached to your card and then follow the automated prompts. Then you can go through the Comerica mobile app or Comerica mobile app or online banking. You could just go ahead and log into your Comerica mobile app or banking account. Find the activation section, follow the on-screen instruction to activate your card. What you can also do is use the ATM. Visit your nearest Comerica ATM and insert your card, enter your PIN, perform a simple transaction like balance inquiry or a small amount of withdrawal, then your card will be activated automatically. That is basically it, guys. That's how you activate your debit card in Comerica Bank. If this tutorial was helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.